Navigating a shifting real estate market can be tricky, but it's also an opportunity to maximize your return on investment. Market shifts often signal changes in demand and supply. Begin by studying current trends. Are prices dropping? Focus on properties that generate steady cash flow, like rental units or multifamily homes. Cash flow ensures consistent returns. Value-add properties can offer significant ROI. Invest in cost-effective upgrades like modernizing kitchens or improving energy efficiency. Don't rely on a single type of investment. Diversify across property types and locations to mitigate risks. During market shifts, securing favorable financing is crucial. Compare mortgage rates and explore creative financing options. Strong networks with brokers, contractors, and property managers can help you stay ahead of market trends. Be flexible and adapt.